Welcome to Blackstone Baking with Chef Sherry Ronning. Today we're going to be making some griddle English muffins, and they are so delicious. You have to try the recipe. Combine all the ingredients. Start on low until the ingredients are fully incorporated, and then increase the mixing speed to medium and knead the dough for 5 minutes until smooth. Grease a large bowl and place the English muffin dough into it. Cover with a clean towel and let it rise in a warm spot until the dough has doubled in size. This usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Punch down the dough with your fingertip. Now it's time to shape the English muffins. Transfer the dough to a floured surface. Divide the dough into 16 equal pieces. If the dough is sticky, lightly flour your hands and the board and knead in a little more flour. Roll each dough piece into a smooth ball. Then press each ball into cornmeal on both sides. Place on a sheet pan or wooden board, cover with a clean towel, and let it rise for 30 minutes. Now it's time to cook up the English muffins. Turn your Blackstone griddle to its lowest heat setting. Low and slow is the key to cooking the perfect griddle English muffins all the way through without burning the outside. Place the dough balls onto an ungreased heated griddle. Slightly flatten each dough ball with the tips of your finger. You want the dough balls to resemble an English muffin shape. Cover with a griddle dome lid or use the griddle cover to trap the heat, creating an oven effect around the English muffins. Cook for about 4 minutes per side. Flip the muffins after they reach a nice golden brown color. Cooking times vary depending on your griddle. Check for doneness by splitting one muffin open with a fork. The inside should be cooked thoroughly and not doughy. And this is From Michigan to the Table. I hope you enjoyed making my English muffin recipe made on the Blackstone Griddle. This is an awesome recipe that you'll want to make again and again. Make sure to subscribe to my page, leave a comment, and check out more of my YouTube videos. Make sure to click the bell so whenever I drop a video that you'll be notified. Make sure to check out my website, FromMichiganToTheTable.com, where I have all kinds of Blackstone recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye.